Welcome to Penrose Learning, where we make understanding easy.
In this video, I will explain how to stop losing things. First, assign a specific home for every single item you own. This means your keys always go in the same bowl, and your wallet always sits on the same shelf. Make it a habit to return items to their designated spot immediately after you're done using them. This simple step prevents clutter and reduces the mental effort of searching later. For small, frequently used objects like remote controls or glasses, consider using a small tray or decorative bowl. Next, establish daily routines for tidying up common areas like your entryway or living room. A quick 5-minute sweep can make a huge difference. Regularly declutter your space to reduce the sheer number of items you need to keep track of. Less stuff means fewer things to misplace. When storing items, especially in drawers or cabinets, use labels on containers. This helps you quickly find what you need without rummaging through everything. Consider using technology to your advantage. Small tracking devices can be attached to keys, wallets, or even remote controls, allowing you to locate them with your phone. Another helpful strategy is to place visual reminders in key locations. For instance, a sticky note by the door can remind you to grab your umbrella. When putting something away in an unusual spot, take a quick photo with your phone. This provides a visual memory aid if you forget later. Finally, cultivate mindfulness. Being present when you put something down helps your brain register its location, preventing those "where did I just put that?" moments. Regularly review your organizational system and make adjustments as needed. What works today might need tweaking tomorrow. Consistency is key to long-term success in keeping track of your belongings. Remember to check the description for a link to the Echo Dot smart speaker and other great deals to enhance your home.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.